How to set up your Discord server. Firstly, on your web browser, type in Discord and click on the first link that appears. At the top right corner, click on Login. Now enter your credential to log into your account. Once you log in, you will land to an interface like this. To create a new server on Discord, at the very left panel, you will see a plus icon. Click on the plus icon and now a menu like this will open. You can either create your own server or you can use templates. I'm just gonna click on create your own. Now select me and my friends or for a community. Enter the server name and if you like, you can also upload a picture. Once you have done these things, click on create to create a server. And just like that, a server will be created. I've already made a server, so I'm just gonna show you customization from that one. Click on the name of the server on the top. Now select the option Server Settings. On your Discord server, you can set up different roles for different people. To do that, under the section People, click on Roles. Here as you can see, there are 3 roles. You can edit them or you can create a new one by selecting the option Create Role. That's all for today. Thank you.